Huh?
The other one is the have a wang-wang. In there, no, there's no wang-wang eh.
Wait, why?
Oh,
Yeah, because this is this yung nang siren po.
that sign, if it's okay, that sign is the radyo.
Yeah.
The radyo.
Yeah. So is this the only siren of the fire truck? Yes.
Maybe it's another time you can see it because this fire truck is we overhaul over there like that, no?
Huh?
See there? He removed that.
Oh. Oh wow. Yeah. Yeah. So it's bawal to press the siren, right?
Yes.
Oh. So yeah, when will you use this for the fire drill and stuff?
There no, there's a new fire truck. We can use the fire drill on that October.
Huh?
Di ba October nag-drill doon sa ano, Nara? Yung bago.
You can come inside a fire truck. You can have a radar gun here too.
We use a new truck at the Palawan station.
Oh. But yeah, so you cannot use this for drills. So I cannot press the siren for like a short time. Right?
Oh, no.
Oh.
Yeah, this defective that defective.
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 What is defective for?
Not used. Not operated.
Oh, so it's broken.
Yeah, wiring.
Oh.
The wiring is not comfortable.
Oh, yeah. So can I go check the back compartment, please?
Right.
Hang on. Hands this one.
Hold this, hold.
Here. Just gotta go down from the truck.
What did you say?
Yeah, I saw lots of things like there's the security and fire hat, and even the siren switch. Yeah. I wish I could hear it though.
We use it, but yeah, we have a fire scenes. This operate.
Yeah, I will close the door. I will just close the door po.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will teach you to operate the fire truck.
Okay.
There's the operate and line. There is the hose and nozzle.
Yeah, those things are heavy.
This we use is a water supply.
Yeah, I see. You use that to get like the street, like from the lake and the streams.
We have use of flashing. We connect size of 2. The heavy. Like this.
Yeah. So I would like to ask you is, do you respond to like car accidents po? Like if there's like an accident, there are people to like trapped inside the car.
No, that is we have a fire scene, so we'll respond it. But a car accident is normally is no fire. Call 911. Ambulance.
Yeah.
The ambulance is the authority of respond.
So
any vehicle.
Yeah, but sometimes there are people trapped inside the car po.
Yes. Sometimes.